Countif formula counts the number of cells within a range that meet a given criteria. It has two parameters. Firstly is the range, which is the group of cells that you want assessed as part of your Countif formula. The second parameter is the criteria, which is where you tell the Excel formula what you want to assess for based on the range you've selected in your first parameter. So let's look at an example. In the table here below, we have a number of orders that were placed for various appliances. What we want to assess is how many orders were placed on the 4th of the 2nd, 2013. So we want to use a count formula to tell us how many orders were placed on this date. We open up our Countif. Our range is the range of cells we want assessed, and we're looking for the date. So we simply select the data in column B. Then our criteria, well, we want to specify the date. So we could select the cell A7, or we could type in the date. So we do this by opening up the quotation, and we go 04. We open up a quotation to tell Excel that you're typing in text. 0402 2013. And we must close our quotation. Then we close our Countif formula. Here it tells us there's 5. And we can do a quick sense check to see is our Countif formula correct by doing a quick filter for the 4th of February. And we can see that our Countif formula is correct by the fact that there are 5 orders.